God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh, that's not good. It's up way over there. Oh man. So the river literally just went into my backyard. Oh my God. I don't know what to do. Oh my God. My feet are too close.
Oh, Daddy!
He's going across, guys.
Whoa!
No, get off the ice first. I don't, babe, you're gonna
I know, that's what I'm afraid of fighting on me. Fighting my hand.
burn. Your feet are gonna be freezing.
Oh, they are, yeah.
All right, so Tyler and I are heading over across what was my backyard. Oh man. Oh, I think we should do it really quick. Oh, you're lucky. I only have Crocs on. Oh man. I'm so scared. All right, I'm going across with Crocs. Oh my God, I lost a Croc. Okay, come on. We are gonna go see how badly the river is looking because the river bursted way over there. This looks crazy on camera. There's my poor little house. That's so close. Oh, I cannot feel my toes. What? Anything? Okay. That's close, right?
You guys are definitely going to get flooded.
I don't know if I want to walk in any more water, babe. This is like, you might have to carry me back. I can't feel my toes. Oh man, this is not good. I should not be doing this. You gonna go? Oh man, oh man.
Oh my God, it's getting so deep right now. Oh, it's a fucking goal.
You have boots on. I'm walking through with freaking Crocs. It's raining.
Oh, yeah, a
What ice?
lot of ice. Oh, fucking goes.
Says you. You're wearing
Okay,
boots.
this is a stupid idea. Oh, but you're like, oh my God, like, I made the choice to put Crocs.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go back.
Oh.
All right, you guys. I'm going back. Okay. Okay, guys. Signing off. Okay, so we just went outside like dumbasses. Tyler's emptying out his boots. But oh my God, that was so cold. So we thought it was gonna go back out into the river, but it's coming back in to my yard. Gosh.
put that song as a back.
Yeah, right?
music.
Aww. So sad.
It's like,
Oh my gosh. Look at all of it. And it all came through over there. It all piled up right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is nuts. This piece is huge. Oh my god. This is probably such a bad idea. Oh my god. You can see over there is the main river and it breaks off through here. There's a little island. That used to be the island right over there. Oh my god. How crazy is this? Wow. I can't get out how big this piece is. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's nuts. This all used to be moving water. All this over here. Okay, half my leg just went in there. Alright, I think that's a hint that I should probably leave. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come out here and conclude this vlog. Thank you so much if you have watched. I just think it's so crazy because like, it was so weird because Tyler and I were just hanging out inside and then all of a sudden Tyler was like, oh my god, and I was like, in my room, I'm like, what? Did you drop something? And I was like, what? And he was like, look at your yard. And all of a sudden, like, that's what that first clip was. Like, all of it is coming into my backyard. I was like, I wanted to cry. I was like, oh my god, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna flood? Like, what's gonna go on? Like, I had no idea what to expect. And my mom, she works 7 to 7 in the hospital. So like, I was like, I'll send her the video, but I don't know if she's gonna be able to come home. Like, this is nuts. Like, I had no idea what was gonna happen. But yeah, so you can see like all behind me, like that's that pond now. And then that broke up over there and that's when it all came up. But yeah, it was crazy. I've never seen anything like it. Like, it literally was like crazy. I've never have thought in a million years that I would see something that drastic happen and like right in front of us in my own yard. Like, it looks like crazy. I don't know. It was just so many ice chunks just like coming right at us. I was like, oh my god, like, what do we do? But yeah, so my mom ended up coming home. And then when she was coming home, that's when the driveway over there, the main driveway, was flooded and she couldn't even drive her car over because there was just so much current. Like, this whole thing was flooded. I think that's crazy. It was crazy. My mom had us like pack up all the important stuff, put it in our cars, and then drive our cars like as far away from the water as possible. It was like nuts. But yeah, my face I think is frostbite. It's so cold out here. Oh, but yeah, so we just spent all morning shoveling our driveway because all of a sudden it snowed. We're like, okay, it was 65 degrees. You can see this is like our pond. It's never usually full because it always dries out, but obviously it's very huge right now. And then over there is the other pond, and that's where the driveway is. It goes all the way up like that, and the pond overflowed into the driveway, so we couldn't even leave. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside because I have no gloves on right now. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was crazy. I was like, oh my god, I could make a whole video out of this, like a natural disaster in my backyard. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.